Hey guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we're going to show you Wayfair affiliate program, how to sign up. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually sign up into the affiliate program for Wayfair? Now, in this case, we first have to discuss what is Wayfair here, what it actually does, what's the platform about. Now, Wayfair here is a website for basically buying products that you usually see at home. Now, in this case, partnering with Wayfair here could actually help you a lot because it's actually pretty well known in the US. Now, in this case, what we need to do first is we need to visit their official website. So usually it's going to be wayfair.com here. Just need to type that in and you should be able to see their website. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the affiliate program link here. So it's going to be kind of hidden here, so you need to visit a few things here. So first things first, go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the section here on the About section. So just scroll down a bit, you should see the About section here. Go ahead and click on the About Wayfair here, and you should be able to see this section here or this page here. Now in this case, there's going to be a few things they give you here, but focus on the top section here. So they have different options here, like who we are, how we work, but in this case, look for the partner with a section or link here. So go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the affiliate program section. So as you can see, we have the become a supplier partner, talent acquisition, inclusion, partnerships, advertising opportunities, and a lot of those details. But in this case, you should be able to see the affiliate program here. Now, usually on this website here, you should be able to see a button here that either says learn more or sign up. But as you can see right now, the Wayfair website here does not actually give you the option to visit the official website here. But the thing here is Wayfair is actually partnered with a different platform that is CJ.com. Now CJ is a platform for basically for affiliate programs or partnerships for different brands. Now this platform here will help you sign up to Wayfair's affiliate program. So what we need to do first is we need to go to their website, which is cj.com, and we need to create our account within the platform itself. So typically this is going to be what the main website would look like. So at the top right, you should see the Get Started button. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, look for the option that says partner with the world's best brands here. In this case, just click on sign up here. And from here, you should enter the following information that they need. So that includes the language, the country here, also the email address, password, and confirmation of your password. Also, they need to confirm that you're not a robot. But in this case, let's just answer the following questions here. So maybe I want to say I'm from, let's just choose a different one here. So let's say Australia. I want to use this email address here and just enter the password here, confirmation, and from then just click on verify email. So once you click on the verify email here, it's going to actually ask you a few questions here. So this is going to be the dashboard that you'll be seeing when you actually complete those required information. But yeah, before you get in here, they will actually ask you your name, the company, and all of those details. Just go ahead and just enter all the desired details there, and you should be able to see the same UI here that I have right now. Now in this case, you should be able to see the onboarding checklist and guide here. They actually recommend you to complete your profile here because at the very first sign up process, they will ask you the basic information here, but completing your profile here and any information needed could actually increase your chances of being accepted into the affiliate program that you want to sign up for. Now in this case, yes, there's going to be an application process for the whole thing, so you need to make sure that your profile here on CJ is actually really good. Now in this case, once you've completed your profile here, you should be able to see different options here, like for example the campaign section, your account, and a lot of those details. Like for example, maybe we want to look for maybe a different one, so let's go to the partner section here, and you could go ahead and find advertisers here, and from here you should be able to look for Wayfair. So in this case, go to the search here. So let's just wait for it to pop up. So let's just type in Wayfair here and just press on enter, and from here you should be able to see different results here. So let's just search for it, and from here you should be able to see different results. So just choose the correct one here. So it's going to be a lot. So let me just look it up real quickly here. So once you see Wayfair here, you should be able to click on it. So once you click on it, you should be able to see this page here. Now, in this case, you should be able to see the country that this affiliate program is currently for, the name of the specific program itself, the currency, the following handles like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and the join network for CJ here, and the serviceable area. So in this case, make sure to choose the correct country or service area here. Like for example, if you were from Germany, I would suggest you to choose a service or program that is within Germany itself. Now in this case, you will be able to see the description as well. So also they actually have different commissions here. So make sure you read further into that. But if you want to continue on applying for that specific program, just click on apply to program here, and you should be able to actually apply for the program. So they might ask you a few things again, ask you to provide your website details, a lot on where you are going to actually promote those products and the brand itself. But in this case, if you haven't completed your checklist here, it's going to say, please complete your checklist first, or onboarding checklist here first, before you'll be able to see the next page here. But yeah, so in this case, this is how you actually sign up into the program for Wayfair here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.